buatsaih le harsatna nei te thlamuan na nei lo te hlau thong taka om te po tam takan om ani.
She mourned and wept as it departs in haste, losing herself in the river of tears. The light was failing. She was wailing as the sorrow slowly eats her alive. Dawn was breaking and she was left alone in the vile wilderness as the tiger hunts her down into the pit of doom.
Real ru taksa Thlarau hi achan kop ta tawangin real ru shisel nei tur chuan ka taksa afita ngaya tin ka Thlarau nun po ka kai shwai ngai ni
psychology zirlai kania ma se chinfel na dil na chungchanga ka damlo na hian so na tam tak heti chung hian ka nei shin Pathian in heng mal som na zong zong himin penga tinge heti hian ka om Christian ka ni se heti anga om ve tur he ka niam ni Pathian hi ka ring tok lawem ni ka piang thar lawem ni
Lord, draw me out from this Groundhog Day madness. Father of lies, don't you ever rest?
Zungal veiten thil tak lawan muang hian thil tak lo te ka muwa ka sha betu ten oma kanat na wang hian zan te ka mu thei lawa le khazela ma po harsatna tam tak ka to ka mi zinga ko thei lawa engma ti ka phur lo ni ka thla phang renga ka thla phang renga nun hi lo ni.
Down on her knees as she met him personally for the first time. She knew about him, heard about him, read about him. She always thought he would be sitting on his throne of glory, one who gives orders and watches his people from a distance. Yet, that night, he was right beside her, the one that gives everything